What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to tell you all about the EV Rider Transport 4-wheel manual folding scooter. But before we get started, let's tune into some epic action shots. All right, folks, welcome back. So again, here we have the Transport 4M by EV Rider. EV Rider is a great manufacturer. They provide excellent warranty support. They have parts always readily available, ready to ship quickly. And most importantly, they provide excellent technical support, whether it's weekends, after hours, they're always ready to answer the phone, which is why we love working with them. We also include tax-free sales, free shipping, and a 1-year in-home service agreement with all EV Rider products. They're great, they're very dependable, and this is one of many different Transport models that belong to the Transport series. It's actually the newest one. So this is a manual fold. It's going to be a lot more affordable than the automatic folding feature, and this thing has optional armrests now that are not only height adjustable, they're also going to be able to flip forward and back to get out of the way when you're getting in and out of the chair. Now that's something you really don't see in too many folding mobility scooters. But by the way, there's a catalog on the seat. If you don't already have a copy of our latest product catalog, go ahead and claim a copy. It's free, has discount codes, a lot of information about our newest products and our company. To get a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you see on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call the number below, speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts, ask them for a catalog, give them your mailing address, and they'll process the request for you, or click in the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog, and it'll take you right to the form. So let's go ahead and move forward here. So the Transport 4, just like most of the Transports, it's going to hold around 250 pounds. It's going to travel just under 5 miles per hour. It's a travel scooter. It's meant to be convenient and safe. So if you need something to go on vacation with, that's safe, reliable, and that's going to be mainly used on flat surfaces, this is a great little workhorse of a scooter, and they've made some major improvements to its design recently. So check out that light kit on the front there with the bumper guard. Awesome, nice, impressive light kit. Nice little carpet area here for your feet. Some nice fenders. This is the gray color. They've got tons of color options, which means a lot for people because a lot of folks are using these as their primary source of transportation. So just being able to have the color that you actually want is a nice touch that the manufacturer added. So let's talk about what's new here. So aside from the seat, look at that seat style. That's pretty unique. It does have a small seat because they're trying to keep the weight down significantly, and we are going to throw all the specifications on the screen as we go when it comes to its total weight, the dimensions, whether it's the folded dimensions or unfolded dimensions, so that you can get familiar with them. But at the end of the video, I am going to put the full specification list on the screen for you to check out. Really quick, I want to tell you that at the end of this video, there's going to be a hidden message somewhere on the screen, and it's going to tell you how you can save big on your next purchase. So if you are interested in buying one of these, make sure you pay attention for that hidden message at the end of the video. And we always offer tax-free sales and free shipping year-round, so there's really never a bad time to buy one of these. With that being said, let's get back into the video. Now let's talk about the major improvements to the design. This whole tiller assembly, aka the dash, is completely new. You've got a nice battery meter here. You've got your icon here letting you know that your lights are on or off. You've got a horn buzzer, speed rotation knob, single-handed use throttle system. You can use your right hand or your left to go forward or backwards. In fact, you can just use one finger. Now, that's not all. This is the actual remote kind of a keyless starting ignition, if you will. So it's NFC technology. What that means, this little thing right here is programmed to this machine. So no one can steal your scooter with a universal key like most of the other scooters out there. What you're going to do is turn it on first. It's not going to move until you tap this to it, kind of like a credit card with the NFC chip on it. You just wave it like a wand and it unlocks it. So without this, you won't be able to just walk off with a scooter, even if you have a universal key. And I think that's pretty cool. They're thinking about security. It's not a cheap thing to buy any mobility scooter. So the last thing you want to be worried about is someone stealing your scooter with a universal key. All right, something else that's pretty cool is you can loosen this tiller and adjust the height to your desired position. On the way down, you can see that you have that nice carpet floorboard here. Serial number information and model number information is going to be there if you need to file warranty claims. Pretty easy to do. Now, to fold it, you're going to notice there's like a little thing, a red slit here. It's a little tab that says press. So when you're ready to fold this unit, you pull this tab out, and then with your foot, you push on the red tab, and that's, you're going to hear a click, and now it's going to start collapsing. I like to fold the backrest down first, and then pull down on the handlebar, and the whole thing starts to fold, and it locks into place. Once it's folded, there's a handlebar on the back here that you can grab and pick straight up and kind of just roll it around. The steering still works when it's folded, so if you need to push it and move it, maneuver it, you can do so. And that's pretty cool. I do like that feature. You can see on the back here, there's a little anti-tip wheel, a roller. So when it's tilted and on its back, you can grab by the front bumper and roll it that way too. So they kind of thought of everything. It's really practical. When you're ready to unfold it, you kind of follow the same process. Click this thing out a little bit, put your foot there, pick up on the tiller. I like to get one hand on the bottom of the seat, pull back and push forward on the tiller till it locks into place. Make sure you hear it lock into place. If not, when you sit on it, it can kind of fold in, but now that it has two locking positions, I don't think that's going to happen. All right, so a couple of other things. Let's take a look at the other side here. On the right side of the unit, you're going to see the charging port for the battery right here, XLR charger. So this does have a TSA friendly battery. And by the way, before I show you the battery, I want to tell you about our giveaway program. All you have to do if you want a chance to win a free mobility scooter is subscribe and leave a comment. It's also a great opportunity to tell us what you think about the video or ask a question that maybe we didn't cover in this video. We reply to every comment within 1 business day. So if you have a question, put them in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, and you might be the next lucky winner of a free mobility scooter like the last few winners that you're seeing on the screen now. It's that easy and it's free. So thank you for your support, and we hope to see you on our next video. So I'll go ahead and pop off this panel here. You can use a key, and there's a little slit right there. Just pop this cover off, and that's where the battery is. Again, it's a lithium battery pack, and it is TSA approved. It just comes right out if you ever need to take the battery out to travel on an airplane. We do get a lot of customers that buy these specifically to travel by plane overseas. So this is the battery, and you will need to take it out when you are gate checking your scooter. We actually have a documentary video in case you're wondering what it's like to travel with a mobility scooter. I'll put the link in the top right-hand corner of the screen so that you can educate yourself and know what to expect if you ever plan on going on an airplane ride and taking your scooter with you. There are a few steps that you have to take, and if you prepare yourself by watching that video, it's going to make things a lot smoother for you. All right, folks, well, this is the Transport 4M, which stands for manual. There is an automatic folding version of this. Both of them are super easy to transport in the trunk of a vehicle. You fold it up really fast and just stick it in the trunk, and you're ready to rock and roll. You can go to trips to the mall, to the grocery store, theme parks. It's going to have a long-lasting battery and EV Riders' excellent warranty support to back it up. So I highly recommend this and any other EV Rider transport scooter. They're all great. They're all going to fit different needs. So check them out. We'll have a link in the description of this video to see full specifications, and I'm going to throw them on the screen here in just a bit. Again, my name is Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, everyone, have a great day.
promised, I'm going to show you the specifications right on our website for the EV Rider Transport M, which at the time of this video is retailing for $1,999. But of course, if you claim your special secret discount code, you can expect to save big. It is available in 4 different colors. You have the red, the blue, the silver, and the rose gold. Now, the specifications are going to be right underneath the image gallery on our website, so you can click on specifications or warranty or returns to see all of that information, as well as your customizable options. So I'm going to click on specifications and we'll go over the total weight, which is 55 pounds, the speed, which is 3.7, the weight capacity is 250 pounds. The ground clearance is 1.4 inches, which is not great, but also, again, it's not an off-road scooter. It's meant mainly for indoors and flat surfaces. It does have a 3-degree incline rating, no suspension, it is airline friendly. Overall length is 33 inches, overall width is 18 inches, and the height is 33.5 inches. It does not disassemble, but it does fold, and the folded dimensions are going to be 32.6 inches long by 18 inches wide, 15.75 inches in height. You do have a forward and reverse drive mode, 180 watt peak watt motor, automatic brakes. There are no brake levers. As soon as you let go of the throttle, it comes to a complete stop, and it has a turning radius of 39.3 inches. The seat width is 15 inches, the depth is 12 inches, and the back height is 9 inches. It does not have a height adjustable seat, and the seat to ground height is 19.7 inches. The seat to deck height is 15 inches. It does not have a hitch receiver for universal accessories like a rear cage style shopping basket. The seat does not recline. It does not rotate. The seat is technically removable, but you will need tools and a technician, so it's not an easily removable seat by any means. The seat does not elevate. The armrests are optional. It does have an ambidextrous lever, which means you can use your left or your right hand to control the forward or reverse motion. The front tires are about 7 inches, and the rear tires are about 8 inches. It's a 4-wheel unit. It does have lights. It does not have a turn signal. It does have a horn buzzer, no mirrors, and the battery is lithium, 24 volts, 10.5 amp hours, which gives us 252 watt hours, which is well below that 300 watt hour restriction for airline travel. The charger is a 2 amp, 24 volt lithium charger, and I highly recommend only using the OEM charger that comes with it to charge your unit. The controller type, lastly, is a Dynamic R Series 50 amp controller, and that's going to wrap up the specifications. Again, check out our website if you want to see more information on the warranty, the returns, the custom options, and if you just want to see some of the videos, they'll be in the details section of the description. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Until next time, have a great